Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a helmet wearing detection system using a domain artificial intelligence. Let me introduce myself and my team members. Myself Karthikeyan. My team members are Ajit Kumar, Abdul Rauf and Lokeshwaran. We are from Computer Science and Engineering Department, third year, Aruna Engineering College. So, before getting into the further slide, let me give some info of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the domain we are using in our project. We'll see some applications of artificial intelligence, that is healthcare, gaming, data security, and also in social media. Advantages of artificial intelligence is nothing but it works 24 into 7 without interruption. Our project is about helmet wearing system using artificial intelligence. In our day-to-day life, everyone has need to use two-wheelers to meet their daily requirements. But only few among us are wearing helmet. Because of this, daily hundreds of people are losing their life. But still now, people are not aware of protecting themselves. See, here is some information about death rate. In this pie chart, orange color indicates bike accidents. It clearly shows bike accidents occurs more. Our idea is to implement that people must wear helmet while riding the vehicle. For that, we have camera and microprocessor. But by using this, power supply won't be wasted because the supply is directly connected from the bike battery itself. We can also implement this by image processor. It makes our project much more effective. So, spare yourself from the mishap. Let's see the algorithm. A camera is placed in front of speedometer. It captures rider's face. When the rider turns on the vehicle, at that time the control unit starts working. After that, it takes continuous input from the camera for helmet image. When the camera finds that the rider is wearing the helmet, it allows the rider to ride the vehicle. Else it doesn't. Thus it prevents rider's life. Now we'll see flowchart. First the power supply is taken directly from the bike battery. Then the supply is connected to camera, microprocessor and relay. Working of camera is to recognize the rider's face. It also used to send signal to microprocessor. Microprocessor helps to turn off the vehicle. Relay is used for on off the switch. By following this flow, we'll receive the output. Here we are using camera instead of using sensors because sensors cause radiation effect. It kills humans little by little. And then hardware knowledge we have to know here is about image processor and microprocessor. Then software knowledge is nothing but we have to know about artificial intelligence and also TensorFlow. Hello everyone, this is Karthikeyan from 3rd year CEC department. Our project is about helmet detection. First we'll see coding section and then demo.
Now the rider is in riding position. Here the helmet is in rest position. See, there the helmet indicates green color, but the rider's face indicates red warning box because of not wearing helmet. See how the helmet detection works. The rider is wearing helmet. See, the green indicates in rider's face. Again, when the rider removes his helmet, automatically the camera recognizes that rider is not wearing helmet.
So, my dear friends, be aware of this. Rather than life, nothing is important. Helmet keeps away your helmet. Wear helmet. Ride safely. You can also explore a more project on www.arunai.org Ideathon. Thank you all.